Alright, so we're still delayed. We're working on it. I'm at home now, getting a couple parts. Basically what's going on, I don't know, we thought it was the batteries, we thought it was the power. Couldn't figure out what was going on. Turns out that it seems the Arduino, every time it goes to transmit, only when the antenna is connected, it resets itself or loses the connection. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do to resolve that. I got a couple. I'm at home now getting a backup antenna because I'm thinking that maybe the antenna is bad. So we're gonna get a backup antenna and try to attach this and see if it still happens, because it seems like maybe there's a short in the antenna. That's our latest theory. Maybe there's a short in the antenna, and every time it goes to broadcast, overloads the board, and the board shuts off and freaks out. So I don't know why there'd be a short in the antenna though, because that seems kind of odd. You know, the antenna is really just a big giant wire. Really shouldn't, you know, there's no... I mean, I've never looked inside of this particular antenna, but I know you can make your own antenna with just a single wire. This is a PR disaster for Overlook Horizons. I know, I need to hire a PR agent. Alex, you wanna take on PR for me? We need to get this resolved. It's all right. It goes to show that this is not the easiest thing to do. So it's space is hard, man. But I'm still hopeful. We got until like I don't know. I think until 4 p.m. that we can launch today. Sorry, I'm getting bits and pieces that I'm going to take with me back to the launch site. We've got until 4 p.m. to launch, and after 4 p.m. then we're looking at landing in Lake Ontario. So we don't want to land in Lake Ontario. That would be not good. So we have, you know, it'd be a shame to lose the or to not launch, especially since the balloon is already filled and just sitting there waiting for us to launch. So really want to get this thing to launch today. Otherwise, I got to take the balloon down and just empty it, which would be really annoying. So I'm hopeful we can still get this done. I got a backup antenna. I got some resistors that are gonna. The Arduino has an auto reset, so that's one of my other theories. Is the Arduino auto resets anytime a new serial connection is made to the board. So the other possibility is the GPS communicates to the board via a serial connection. So if for some reason the connection is loose or the wire is loose and it jostles around, the Arduino might register that as a new wireless or new serial connection, auto reset the board. So I've also got the option the resistors are to disable the auto reset, which we can try that as well. So we're gonna try a couple of those things. Let's see, I'm actually gonna see if I have another antenna. I know I've got one backup antenna we're gonna try, but I've got a couple antennas here. I don't know if any of these will work. I don't think they will. I think they're too small. So I'm at home. For anybody that just getting in, I'm at home getting some supplies. We're gonna test this out. Try to get this fixed. The other thing I'm gonna do is I don't have a copy of the actual software at the launch site, so I'm gonna load the software onto a SD card so I can take it with me to the launch site, or maybe I'll just put it on a USB drive. Because if I can take the software with me, then I